And every incremental second that those teams spend on not billing is additional leverage for their innovation and working on their core products. I find that fascinating because it's tied together with these bigger trends around software companies innovating their pricing models, moving more towards usage-based or hybrid pricing models. The rate of product development and product innovation also picking up with major trends like AI. I think the confluence of those two things are actually putting a ton of stress and pressure on these internal teams that are focused on ultimately delivering the vision of the go-to-market direction that a company wants to take.
Yeah, and I think the big focus is companies increasingly want to concentrate all their engineering talent and their product talent on being AI companies or data infrastructure companies. They don't want to be billing companies, right? And you can't spend whole engineering teams, especially when there becomes data infrastructure problems, on building these systems that are so complex and hard to maintain. Instead, you want to just focus it on the core product.
The opportunity cost is too high.
Yeah.
Look, we work with some of the most engineering forward, talented companies out there.
Yeah.
And it's not a question of how engineering hard is this problem.
I mean, ultimately, engineers at companies are not expected to be, and they shouldn't have to be, experts in billing data modeling.
In some sense, like, leave the boring billing part to us.
Yeah, and because it evolves so much, it's not a one-time investment, right? Like every 3 months, every 6 months, if you're actually treating pricing like a product, you're going to have to staff this problem over and over and over again. And it just doesn't make sense. I mean, spiritually, even if they can, no one wants to work on that billing problem.